Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Be Natural Space. So yeah, we are about to start another episode, and this episode I know you will have seen the topic, and it is about coloring this our beautiful egg texture. This egg texture is 4C. When I say 4C, we won't get 4C. See, you can see that we are even trimming off the tip. Why? Because we could not comb the hair, and that part already knotted. She did not even comb the hair for over 10 months. I don't know, but I just know that the hair is knotted up there, and now you can see me trying to comb. Even with this white tooth comb, it is uncombable, and I don't want to add water to it because you know what's about color. Once you add water to it, before you will dry it, before you start the application, time, and we are working with time here. So yeah, I've mixed the stuff the mixture that I want to apply on the hair, and this turning it together and stirring the mixture together, then applying it generously on the hair. Look at it. You need to apply it generously on the hair so that one part will not be looking darker than the other part. So I kept applying it and applying. It's so simple. You can do this. And if you want to know if you have any questions, just drop it on the comment section. I'll be waiting for you below. So after the application, I started massaging this hair because I said it earlier that we could not comb the hair. So I want to make sure that the mixture went into every strand of the hair. So I started massaging it, kept massaging it, touching every part that is needed to be touched because we are going somewhere. So we need to cover the hair for 40 to 60 minutes. And wow, this is our first stage. So my client here said she wants platinum white. So this is the first thing. Let's see if the hair will get to that color she wants to. Then I actually set her under the dryer so that though we've washed the hair, so that the water they will go before doing the second application. So this is we washing the hair off, and you can see that the hair is getting there little by little. So if you want to dye your hair, it is a stage. It's not something that you just wake up one day and just apply it. You won't see the color will not come up, but if you apply it on your normal black hair, it will not pop up. So this is the second stage. After we wrap the hair, we actually dry it again before applying anything we want to apply. So look at it. So I'm trying to dry the hair again. Like you need to dry the hair for like 10 minutes. You are done drying the hair. So this is the second stage right now. I'm trying to apply the color she wanted because actually she said she's fine with that part. But so I want to apply the color now, and the dye I use is elevation dye. You can get it online. I'm not going to search it elevation dye. Then I apply it on the hair. Mind you, this hair is dry at this part. So I have to apply. So after you bleach the hair, you need to apply the color. Make sure you apply the color. Don't just bleach the hair and leave the hair. Your hair will break. And also have it at the back of your mind that if you are going to dye your hair, make sure your deep conditioning should be twice every month. That means you do like upper and deep conditioning if you don't want to be seeing your hair on the floor. Because one thing is to dye, and the other thing is to maintain the hair. That's why you see a lot of people after they dye their hair, they just have stunted growth, or their hair will just be shedding off unnecessarily. So please make sure you apply a color after your hair is being bleached. I saw a lot of hair and they just leave the hair like that. So this is the final result of our hair. Is the hair giving? Is this hair beautiful? So this is the second time of doing this with my client. We did it I think a year ago, and now she's back again to renew the hair. Wow, I love this hair. Bye. See you in my next video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I am waiting for you in the comment section. Tell me you love it. Tell me you're going to try it. Tell me to make another video. Any video you want me to do, just let me know. I am